Hello, this is Kevin Rowe with iPlanTables. One of the most common questions we receive is, how well can I look at a 3D or a BIM drawing or something that allows for the 3D interaction? And that's really one of the cases where the iPlanTable really shines over a traditional 30-inch monitor or a large monitor on the wall that may be 6 or 7 feet away. With the iPlanTable, you're able to come in and literally open up any of your files, be able to look at them, manipulate them with touch, zoom in on them. And when you zoom in on an iPlanTable with the 3D drawing, you have unparalleled access and views that you won't get on a small monitor. The spacing of the pixels, the color rendition and things are much more lifelike, and certainly the images are much larger, so your mind has a chance to be able to adapt to what is this really going to look in real life. We also get calls, can you do drones? Can you do other things? Can you do Google Earth? There's Google Earth, and it's very, very simple. We were using with this large state agency about a week ago on a webinar, and they said, do you have Google Earth? Are you able to handle Google Earth? And of course we said yes. And once we put it up and put it up on the actual drawing and put it up, she said, you could have just started with that and then we could have skipped the whole presentation, because it gives you unparalleled views. I mean, the brick, the deterioration, the things that are important in videos are very visible on a large format monitor. Plus I'm able to zoom and pan around and look at things that I'm just not going to see on even a 30-inch desktop monitor or multiple monitors. It just doesn't work that way. So that's one of the areas where we wanted to make sure you understood. This is a SketchUp drawing, same thing, same issues, same needing to look at the information, look at the colors, look at the trees, look at them in realistic formations. Here's a 3D file in Bluebeam, where I can actually come in here and rotate the image around inside of Bluebeam on a 3D PDF. Animations, the ability to look at drones. Well, let's go up here. Drone Deploy is a customer that we work with. Very, very solid solution as far as being able to fly drones. And if you have drones on your site, there's nothing like being able to fly over that site and 3 or 4 or 5 people are around your iPlanTable and everybody can see the same thing at the same time. Stop the production, look at what's going on and be able to see it. And I can look at it in 2D or 3D right from my iPlanTable screen. So that gives you an idea without going into a lot of things. Here's another adaptation, which allows you to even look at any imagery. We don't care. And if it's built for touch like this particular program is, the detail on this with being a 4K monitor touchscreen is phenomenal, where I can go in and look at it. So we wanted to give you an update on that. We hope to see everybody at World of Concrete next week. We will be in Procore's booth. We have a couple of units there, and thank you for your time.